Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows Update error encountered, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So before anything else, just reset Windows Update components. I'll tell you why. I have a script for you. It is shared in the description section of the video. Copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what the script does exactly. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the associated DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. So basically there is no step which has been ignored here, and every troubleshooting related to Windows updates has been completed with this one script. But still, if it doesn't help you, then you can run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, click on the corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.